Hello everyone, here I have my IMU, inertial measurement unit, and this chip right here reads three different measurements, acceleration in all three X, Y, and Z ranges, gyroscope in all three axes, and magnetometer actually in all three axes. And what I've done is through just standard ITC, this Arduino board here is taking the information, is converting it into a object notation, kind of like JSON, and via the FTDI adapter here is running through this cable into my USB port in my laptop. And what I have done is I've created a program in processing that graphs, at this point right now, I'm just graphing the X and Y axes acceleration. So as I take the IMU and just see here, just moving it up and down, it does some changes here. Shoot. So anyhow, what it's doing is it's reading acceleration on the X and Y axes. So whenever I tilt back, the red line represents the acceleration on the x-axis. So I'm pitching up, pitching down, so I'm reading that. The green line represents the y-axis. Some people call it roll. So as I'm moving this around, the lines are giving me a representation. Okay. So why am I doing this? Well, this is one stage into my first-person lawnmower that I'm planning on doing. If any of you know what a first-person shooter is, I'm planning on building a lawnmower that I will actually be able to sit on the couch and cut my grass. This is going to go onto a head tracker. Basically, I'll compress this, and this particular board right here is I'm going to mount this onto a helmet that as I move my head, it tracks the movement of my head. Through XB wireless communications, I'll have be communicating to another microprocessor on the lawnmower itself, and once I'm doing that, that'll be hooked up to a camera via servos, and as I move my head to the left, the camera will track. As I move it to the right, the camera will track. Pitch up, pitch down, it all follows the movement of my head. I also have a video uplink to where in front of me there'll be a television that will be showing me what the camera is looking at. This is going to be my vision system on my remote control lawnmower, and the simple part will be the motors of the lawnmower itself. It's going to be controlled with another microprocessor and just standard radio controlled controller. I'll have to build a motor controller, a heavy duty one that'll be able to power wheelchair motors. It'd be a simple H bridge, and using pulse width modulation, I'll be able to control this through the microcontroller. So it's going to be a pretty neat project. I won't say that I'll actually be cutting the grass from my couch, but it'll be a cool little project to have. So thanks. Until next time, I'll have some updates. I'll kind of keep you guys posted.